Good morning. Hey guys, what's up? It's currently, I think like 7 a.m. Okay, so you guys could probably already tell by the title of this video what I'm gonna be doing today. Let's cut my hair. Sorry, I'm like losing my voice. I was kind of like stalling on this video because I would just overthink and just like, I'm like, But I got these expensive scissors. Who knew? Like, I didn't know professionals like cutting scissors were so expensive, but hey, I bought them, so I'm gonna have to do this video. I love to switch up my looks. Like, I get really bored very fast, and I just like to like constantly be looking different. We're just gonna get right into it. Today's my first day of school, and I have a class at 9, so I'm gonna try to finish this so that I'm not answering the Zoom call like half of my haircut. Now it's 8 and I only have an hour. Okay, should we just get started? I think I'm stalling myself because I'm like, let's just get straight into this video. To make my hair easier to cut, I did leave a little bit of conditioner in it when I washed it because my hair is like insanely dry right now. And then I'm just gonna add some serum to make it even easier. Brush this out. If you guys saw my setup right now, you'd probably think it's so funny. Like, I'm improvising the out of this. I got a mirror from my garage and I'm standing it up on my nightstand, I don't know, on my ring light, like off to the side because like my room is so tiny here, so I have to make it work. I am going to part my hair down the middle. I'm already getting so much breakage, and I'm like cutting my bangs shorter and shorter and adding more to them. So I'm like, this is the perfect hairstyle. Like, if your hair is breaking off, like just make it work. So you're gonna split your hair in the middle, like down to your ears. It's gonna be super easy to tell because my roots right now are pretty grown, but I just split it right there. And then I'm gonna do the same to this side. I'm gonna do this side one more time just because it feels a little bit thicker. I'm gonna use like a scrunchie to hold the back pieces. I separated my hair. I'm just gonna drag these parts forward. Peek in the curtain. So it says to make a triangle. Like, I already have bangs, which is perfect. Let me just fix them now that we're here. I know these pieces are supposed, like, I would probably start off with a little bit longer if you are just cutting them. I'm gonna clip back this side. Okay, let's get started, guys. What I saw, the technique was you're just gonna pull and twist. You guys will see right now. Guys, what the Hold on, I need to like check back with I'm literally gonna be cutting my hair in this Zoom call. I thought I had it down and now I'm like, wait, what the Scratch that. I'm gonna make my little triangle bigger because I already have bangs and I want to include all of the bangs. I know they look up, but just trust me, guys. I kind of know what I'm doing. I don't. Key is you just want to keep pulling similar sections that go like in parallel with these lines. You guys are basically learning with me because I literally have a YouTube video open on my laptop right now just in case it goes wrong. Okay guys, sorry I'm like not talking. I'm like really like trying to focus on my hair. My bangs are like really up, so I know you're supposed to like cut it all the same length, but because my bangs are so short and I'm trying to grow them out, I'm using another layer. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I can see the angles. Cool, I'm almost done. Okay, my cat is eating my hair. Can you see him? I need to get him out. Hold on. Do you have my hair in your mouth? Okay, come on. No, there's hair everywhere. Okay. Little bit uneven at the bottom. Okay, so let me fix that. Okay, let's just brush this out. Okay, cool. I really wanted to keep the length, so I feel like this is very fun and like still somewhat short, so I like it. Okay, so now for the back part, you're gonna wanna center your hair in the middle and then pull the pieces forward just like these pieces are. So, I'm just gonna use a comb. Guys, my class starts in 30 minutes. So let me just show you guys. I just separated it and brushed the hairs forward. I'm like working all fast now because my class literally starts in 30 minutes. I'm gonna add more of this product because my hair is like getting a little bit hard to work with. So what I can just say is like he is very dramatically place the back hairs over. I'm like, if if Brad Mondo wants to do a review on this video and he's like, yeah, don't do that, it's gonna work. No hate on Brad Mondo. I love his videos. I watch him like all the time and I'm hoping one day he'll do a review on me cutting my hair, so maybe this will be the one. But I know this isn't like the correct way to do it, you know, like your girl doesn't have all the time in the world. And Brad Mondo's probably cringing at this video like, what the f? Ugh. Oh God. Now I'm just, okay guys, I have the idea of it, but I do want to make it a little bit shorter, make it a little bit choppier. Actually, I kind of dig it because the thing about me is like I'm super indecisive. Some days I'll really like the short and I'm like, yeah, this is a vibe. And then some days I'm like, fuck, I wish I still had my long hair. My class is starting in 10 minutes, so I need to log on to that. I chose a really bad time to film, but like, just, you know. Definitely gonna go in, make it a little bit shorter just because I kind of envision like a shorter look. And then I will come back to you guys after my Zoom class. I don't know, I probably didn't teach any of you guys really how to cut a mullet because yeah, that video was kind of all over the place. I hope if you're thinking about getting one or debating on like if you should do it yourself, go for it. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like I have a lot of layers, which is kind of like what I wanted, considering the fact that I really wanted to like keep my length of hair in the back. But knowing me, I'm probably gonna cut it in the next few days. So in my next video, it'll probably be shorter than it is right now. I'm like actually really happy with it. You know, it's like a fresh new look from what I had before. Like I'm gonna insert a picture of my hair before. So if you guys have watched my other videos, you'll know that I had super pink, like baby pink hair, but you know, it's summer, so I've been swimming a lot and it kind of washed out. For this haircut, I feel like the blonde-ish-y color works. Yeah, I rock with it. It's a vibe, it's a vibe.